A stop sale ordered on burgers and buns at a very busy Checkers in Miami Gardens because of what an inspector saw dripping from the ceiling onto food.
And that's not all. Local 10 investigator Jeff Weinseer has what you need to know before you head out to eat.
Did you see it dripping on the food?
But it wasn't dripping on the food.
But that's not what an inspector says and saw. We'll start off in Miami Gardens at this Checkers located at the corner of Miami Gardens Drive and Northwest 27th Avenue. Last week, this location ordered shut. 26 violations found. The inspector writes, quote, observe food being contaminated. That inspector saw moldy water and a mold-like substance dripping from the ceiling air vent, splashing food below. A stop sale ordered on hamburgers, hot dogs, bacon, cheese, onions, sliced tomatoes, chili, and buns. Managers told the inspector the operator had been notified for months about the leak, but to no avail. State records show the owners of this location are out of Mississippi. When we called, not only didn't we get a comment, but the woman who answered the phone hung up. Is it fixed or?
Yes, it's fixed.
Our next stop, Coral Springs, where we spotted a can of Raid at the back door of China Star. Hi, sir. How are you? I wanted to talk to you about the rodent, the roach, the fly issue. Is there anybody who can talk to us, sir? The location, 1430 Coral Ridge Drive. Inspectors were here based on a consumer complaint. Among the 16 violations, rodent droppings found in several spots, including under a front counter by napkins and takeout bags, and under a sink in the kitchen. There were live and dead roaches. There was a fly issue.
I'm not allowing you to comment. You do not comment in my face.
Okay.
No.
Do you have anything to say to the public?
No, I don't have anything to say.
Nothing to say.
I got nothing. I got nothing to say.
All the places we just mentioned were allowed to reopen following an ordered cleanup and then a reinspection. Jeff Weinseer, Local 10 News.
And for a list of all of the places ordered shut and their violations, simply head to the Dirty Dining section on our website, local10.com.